Hi guys, so today we're having something new. We're having Lil Sniffles. It's a dog house with a little dog inside. It says one feeding bottle and one sticker sheet, I guess. And here's the UPC if you need an assortment number. And I'm not sure who makes this. But as you can see, it's a little house. You can get one of these dogs. And you get a bottle and you get a house and sticker sheet and maybe more or less, I don't know. So let's just go ahead and wait and open this. Let's see, how do you open this? Oh, here. Oh god, this is gonna be hard, I guess, to open. I don't wanna look, I don't wanna look, I don't wanna look. I don't wanna look, I don't wanna look. I don't wanna look. Oh my god, opening this is hard. Oh god, come on. Okay. Okay. So we opened it. Now let's turn it around and see what's what. Okay. So we get, how do we open this? Oh, okay. So you remove this. I can't get it out. I'm gonna remove it so I don't see it. And let's see what else do we get. So we get a little house. How do you put it back in? Okay, like this. So we get a little house. Okay. Let's see. Okay. These are the sniffles we can get. We can get Husky, Corgi, Dachshund, Jack Russell, Dalmatian, and Labrador. Okay, and I guess that's it. And yeah, fall, come on. And this is a sticker sheet, okay? Home and stuff, so you just put it on the house, I guess, and stuff. Let's see, let me take the sticker home, the home sticker, then we'll see the dog, and let's put it here, because this is where you put it. Okay, so it works, and you get all this, and let's see the dog now. So we got Husky, guys. Let me just open the bag. Okay, that's the bottle. And here's a little Husky that looks really weird. And he's got movable. Okay, he can rotate his head at least. But my god, is he weird. Look at his face. He is cute, but he just looks weird. Look at it. He doesn't look like that here. Wait, look. Look at him here. Look at him here. Yeah. He looks strange. Well, let's see. Okay, we can put the bottle in his mouth, I guess. Or can we? Nope. So, okay. It does go in, so I guess he could drink his milk or whatever. And I guess that's the little sniffle. No, it's Lil Sniffles. Okay, so that's your Lil Sniffle. The house is great. It's for a Barbie dog, a really good size. The dog, I don't like him, but you know, he's cute, but you know, whatever. But the house is really cute, and you can, you know, customize and do a lot of stuff. And I guess you just, oh, okay. So the doors really do open. Look at this. And close. Open and close. Okay, that's cute. And the pattern goes all around. Wood pattern. And it says, what does it say inside? UK, so it's made in UK by Play Global. Okay. And that's it. So thank you for watching this little strange video. Subscribe, share, like, help the channel, comment. Talk to you soon. Love from Tom. Bye bye and be good. Bye. Bye bye bye.